I'm sure you've heard the news, cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. But what's really going on in there? Okay, so here's the deal. Inside your joints, there's this slippery stuff called synovial fluid. When you stretch or pull your fingers, you create more space in the joint. This drop in pressure allows tiny gas bubbles to form in the fluid. And then those bubbles collapse, making that familiar popping sound. Pretty cool, right? But don't go overboard. Well, too much cracking can irritate your joints. So next time you hear that pop, you'll know it's just a little science magic happening inside your hand. Keep being curious, science buffs. And remember, if you heard it here first, go ahead and crack a smile.